Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to use Apple Notes and some tips and tricks. You are using MacBook Pro or Apple products like iPad or iPhone. So this video is more important for you because of I am explaining some top basic tricks in this note application available on iOS devices, and this application absolutely freely available on default in any iOS devices. So let's start this demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, this is a note of Apple product like in a notebook type. You can use this note any types of note, short notes, your interview, class meeting or presentation preparation. That one is amazing features available on iOS devices. So look at this. First, number one, it's how to log this particular note and this particular page. So here options are available like here log. You can log this note and add here some password. So after so look at this. After I just click here, so this particular note are asking me password, and then I am entering the password. So this note are open, otherwise this note is not, no one accessing in this particular information. I am always using this application for the daily routine purpose. Look at this. I am here bill report, diary, some particular country works, jobs, NLP, Python, YouTube related concept and recent which note I am adding here, and then this application are merging on my iCloud. And then next one options are available here. Here share options also available. You can share this notes via message, airdrop, or some rest of you can add like email, WhatsApp. And here some options are available like take a photo or scan documents. I'm clicking the scan documents. So look at this. Here my mobile is automatically open, so to scan the particular documents like, and I scan this document here. So keep the scan like this way and save this document the particular location. Scanning ratio look like you can change here grayscale, but I can okay this one. So using these features you can scan the documents even. So you can add some tables also here. You can change the fonts also here available. Several fonts available here like here tag, Italian, underline, and some dash. You can add new tag or new note here using this one. Some basic options also available. You can visit as a row format and column format also this notes. It's amazing features. You can delete this particular note using this delete features. You can delete this one also, and do you delete now, but you can restore very easily because of one features are available here recently deleted, and this features is working on like in a 30 days. After this time note will permanently delete, maybe up to 40 days. You can go here and then retrieve this particular move to iCloud comes here automatically. You can delete this one using search and delete button. Some basic and important features are very available. Close all, remove the lock. You can remove the particular lock, add some here tag functions, preferences, and join this one is using my iCloud and default my email ID. So all data are stored automatically on iCloud. I am changing simple changes also, so all changes automatically store on iCloud also. So here options are share with your friends, with your colleagues in the particular note, and he or she can change automatically. So suppose I am right here researchrock9@gmail.com, and they share this particular link. Click here invite, but it's mandatory to someone are using Apple product or iOS devices and he or she working on note application. So automatically I am invited, someone are accepting this particular request and directly suggest or edit in this particular option. And same note features are available on your Apple store same note features available on your iPhone devices. So many features are available on that particular application, and you can merge iCloud as well as your Gmail account. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.